what kind of potential challenges do financial institutions typically encounter with AI solutions? And what are the strategies to overcome them effectively?
I can focus some of the challenges where they can find. One is the data quality and accessibility, because there are a lot more data coming from the different type. There may be some data may be inconsistent, or maybe some of the outdated data, or some of the incomplete data. And because of that, they have to integrate the data from one system to other system, and that if the data quality is not there, you can get the wrong decision. That challenge is you can overcome by data cleansing or normalization, and ensuring that data governance, tight data governance, and also regulatory audit, regular audit on the data, so that data integrity would be there. The other challenge would be regulatory compliance. So banking industry is like under very tight regulatory compliance. Some of the compliance, if you look at from the financial compliance like KYC or knowing your customer or anti-money laundering, or some of the other options like GDPR or CCPA, those type of compliance, they have to do it continuously. Now, AI is playing significant role in helping them, but at the same time, financial institutions or banks compliance team and legal team needs to constantly monitor and making sure that those compliance has been done properly. At the same time, like explainable AI technique can provide the transparency and auditable data on that. If you look at the other thing, is security and privacy concern also, because banking data is under tight security, and from the cyber security is very crucial for them. So one of the things with the bank needs to focus at how they need to implement the robust security measures and making sure that they have access control, regular compliance, and monitoring on the security side. The other one I can say is more on the AI can translate the data when AI can get the data, maybe by inadvertently or maybe something, some perpetuate bias involved in the data analysis. And that perpetuate bias can create some of the ethical issue for the bank. So bank needs to have like a proper consideration on the proper audit at how the data is coming, and it's not going to one specific bias or specific sets of the data. And again, AI is randomly selecting, but that may be sometimes it can happen. So that's a very viable challenge for the banking industry. And last but not least, again, for the talent and training, because talent gap is big there, because AI is a newly evolving thing for the banks, and if there's not sufficient talent who can cope up with the advanced technology, and that could be an issue. So training is one of the important things also. So these are some of the challenges, but I think there are a lot more benefits of the AI than challenges, and challenges can be easily overcome with the banking industry with the proper monitoring and compliance.